Hi, my name is Shyam. I'm the general manager at DoubleTree by Hilton Whitefield. For us, sustainability is just a way of life. So it begins with airport where you get into our cars. Your snacks are hyper local in glass bottle jars. The water in the car is from our in-house water bottling plants. All our public areas and rooms have water sensor taps so that we can save on water. Our car parking areas are again on sensor lights so that we can save on energy. Not only that, as part of Hilton, most of our Hilton Honors members do not have to use a plastic key card. They could use a digital access key card. Also, as a brand, Hilton believes a lot in travel with purpose. So, as a part of that, we also ensure that our sourcing is sustainable. So, our eggs are cage free. We also work with local suppliers who only give us sustainable seafood. As a part of Travel with Purpose, we are currently working under 25 projects, which includes 350 man hours. One of these projects, which I'm really proud about, is a herb garden that we have developed, not only on the terrace of the hotel, but we also picked up another project, which is just on our pre-function area, next to our banqueting pre-function area, taking a small landscape where we're trying to uh, grow some of the vegetables which a chef could use back in the kitchen. So that's one of the additional project. So sustainability is become an element within our hotel in uh, every area or every department, I would say. uh, if you look at it within our finance and HR, most of our control points or approvals are not with paper. We are completely paperless when it comes to, we use systems like DocMax, OSource to ensure that we don't use too much of paper. At the same time, we work with different companies who encourage sustainability. In our hotel, we also do a lot of B2B when it comes to sustainability. For example, we work with local suppliers who make these lovely Chanapatna toys just to give life to the old age tradition of India, and also something which is not plastic. Again, we work with suppliers who do recycling. For example, this cup of tea, which is in front of me, is made of a coffee husk which is recycled. Our smoking areas are associated with Buff India, where the cigarette butts are recycled. So sustainability overall has been a part of life for us, not only with product resourcing or plastic waste, but also how we can take it to people. Now, DoubleTree by Hilton has highest ability team member count in South Asia. I have specially able team members which are 7, and also a recent recruitment which we are really proud about is an acid attack survivor. The hotel has done travel with purpose awareness in Bangalore at Kalyani Tech Park with help of our ownership Kalyani developers, where we were able to bring a lot of corporates and do an awareness drive how workspaces can become abilities enabled or abilities friendly, how we can make sure that recruitment happens for abilities team members. So sustainability is beyond product, people, sourcing, and also with also ensuring people are part of a system. So at DoubleTree by Hilton Whitefield, I'm really proud that sustainability doesn't just stop with a bottle of water or reducing plastic or recycling or controlling food waste. We also go beyond and get people into the system. So we try to have as much as possible include get this especially able team members angle into us and ensure that it is a complete 360-degree approach towards sustainability. uh, this is where we started, and I believe we will continue this journey moving forward.